Hi, this is April at Stunning Style, and today I'm going to take you through a closet purge of my winter items. As part of my winter wardrobe purge, we have gone through my shirts, my sweaters, my scarves, and now we're going to take a look at my boots. I have some that I just do not wear, and I'll explain to you why I don't wear them and why I'm getting rid of them. I got these over-the-knee boots last year. I love the exposed zipper. I haven't painted this one because it's a very functional zipper and it would just get worn out and the paint would come off. But I'm getting rid of these because I don't really wear skinny jeans or leggings anymore, and that's what you need for over-the-knee boots. I also don't wear skirts above my knee, and that's the third way you would wear an over-the-knee boot. So I just don't have a place for them in my wardrobe anymore. For as long as I can remember, I have had a pair of tall, black heeled knee-high boots in my wardrobe, and I love to wear them. I don't love this particular pair, however. I've had them for several years, maybe 7 years, because this fold right here reminds me of Robin Hood. And I don't like also that there's a little extra bulk here in the ankle. You can see how wrinkled it is. It slouches just a little bit when I wear it, and I like something really sleek and tight that goes it's tight all the way up my leg without the Robin Hood fold. So these, I found a replacement pair. They haven't arrived though, but I've been looking for 2 years to replace these. Even though I don't wear skinny jeans or leggings anymore, I do have a place for riding boots in my wardrobe, just not these riding boots. These have a very pebbled texture. And while I enjoy texture in a lot of things, what I finally realized last year is I don't enjoy texture in my boots. I want them to be smooth and pretty shiny. Not patent, but still quite shiny. And these are not it. Even though I like the buckles and everything else about them, I don't like the pebbled texture of them. And so I haven't worn these. I replaced them with these. These are very shiny, very fitted, and I love the silver hardware on them and on the buckle, and I like to wear these with pencil skirts. I have been looking for silver boots for 3 years, and they were always too space cowboy, and I returned everything. I for some reason thought that I would like these combat boots. I don't wear combat boots, and they're not really silver. They're sort of a dark pewter, and they're not shiny, and I have never once put them on my feet, not even to try them on, and I have never even considered wearing them, and it's time to let them go. I did find my silver boots this year, and if you bought the Stunning Style Winter Wardrobe Guide, you found them too, because they were part of that. These were my perfect silver boot, and I have worn them all winter long. They're not pointy, too pointy. I like the nice almond toe, and I just love these, and I've worn them a ton. And so even though I never wore those, I didn't feel like I could get rid of them because I didn't have an alternative, and now I do. This is another pair of boots that I'm going to let go. I loved the straps on the top, but they're dull. They're not shiny. They're not suede, they're more of a nubuck, and I really just like a high shine on my boots, specifically because I prefer it for the contrast with my pants. My pants they're not usually shiny, and if my boots aren't shiny, I feel like I'm wearing footy pajamas, and that's just a personal thing for me. I don't want my boots to blend into my pants. And even though I love black boots, when I have that high shine on my boot, it contrasts with my pants. Even if my pants are black and my boots are black, you can see where the break is and identify that I am not wearing footy pajamas. I don't think that bothers other people. It really bothers me though. And so as much as I love the straps on these, I don't wear them because they're dull. That is the same reason I am getting rid of these black suede boots. That and the fact that these were actually tan. You can see the inside, that's what color they were. And I dyed them black. And I've had great success dyeing other shoes and other suede items. but these have never let go of the brown undertone. So they aren't a nice deep saturated black. They still have a lot of brown in them, and another coat. I have done several applications of the suede dye and it's not any better, and I won't wear them.